Welcome to Wine Fact Wednesday. Did you know that white wines are often served too cold and red wines served too warm? The old trope of red wines being served at room temperature is an archaic artifact from a time when rooms were actually much colder. So serve your red wines about 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, that's about 55 to 64 degrees Fahrenheit, saving your higher temperatures for bigger, bolder reds, like your Chateauneuf, your Bordeaux, your Shirazes, of course. Then serve your white wines around 7 to 13 degrees Celsius. So again, that's 45-ish to about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, your kind of bigger, more expressive, more complex white wines like your California Chardonnays, your white Burgundies, slightly warmer. And of course your Pinot Grigios, your Sauvignon Blancs, and your high acid whites, usually a little colder. Until next time, cheers.